Hello again. Now that we've explored the core modules of Lighthouse ERP, let's take a look at the add-on modules, the powerful extensions that further digitize and optimize your operations. Each of these modules is fully integrated into the core ERP, allowing you to expand functionality as your business evolves. Fixed assets. Track the complete life cycle of your assets from purchase to depreciation and disposal with full financial control and compliance. Human Resource Management HRM. Manage payroll, attendance, leave, recruitment, performance reviews, and statutory compliance, all within a single integrated module. Customer Relationship Management CRM. Streamline. Lead management, sales tracking, and after-sales service to strengthen customer relationships and improve conversions. Plant maintenance. Schedule preventive maintenance, track breakdowns, and manage equipment history to minimize downtime and improve operational efficiency. Project management. Plan, assign, and monitor tasks, timelines, and budgets, ensuring projects are completed on time and within scope. Import-export management. Handle global trade operations with ease, covering documentation, logistics, duties, and statutory compliance. LC management. Monitor letters of credit, bank documentation, and import/export tracking with accuracy and transparency. Document management system. TMS. Digitally organize, store, and control access to business-critical documents with version control and quick retrieval. SMS and email facility. Enable system-generated alerts, reminders, and notifications through SMS and email, boosting efficiency and response time. Task management. Assign, track, and follow up on internal tasks with visibility, timelines, and accountability across teams. Mobility Solutions access Lighthouse ERP from anywhere using mobile apps for field operations, approvals, and real-time updates on the go. Budgeting. Plan, allocate, and monitor budgets. Track variances between planned and actuals to maintain financial discipline. These add-on modules are designed to scale with your business, offering flexibility, digitization, and deeper control as your needs evolve. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to get started with Lighthouse ERP, from logging in to customizing your dashboard. Stay with us.